Okay, I want to provide a quick and easy example of how wet-lock product can suspend moisture in wet or damp coal to eliminate plugging and clogging of chutes and milling equipment. Now, just a quick example. This is our wet-lock material, and I want to show you how it performs just in free liquids and how this material, without weights and measures, as you see, will convert liquids to non-liquids very quickly. And you can see it's almost done. And by doing that, we're going to use for our suspending moisture in coal example, we're going to use sand because it's a lot easier to see what's going to happen here. And it's not as dirty, and with coal you really can't see it as easily. So this is dry sand, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to saturate it with water, which is by no means what you would experience with wet coal. I mean, this is 100%. I mean, this is wet, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to apply just a small percentage of wet lock to it. No weights and measures for this. This is just an example of how this material will perform. And as I blend this, this is an example of how the of the blending that might take place in your inline process with your hammer mills, ball mills, rod mills, whatever you use to crush and pulverize your coal. And so we'll give this a little bit of time. And as you can see, if we check back here, the liquid has been completely converted to a non-liquid. And you can squeeze this all day long and not get any of the liquid or moisture to release from these particles. And that's the beauty of this product, is because you can see the wet lock, when it comes in contact with the moisture, will draw it right into itself and the particles and hold it, allowing your material then to be, free-flowing, non-sticking. And you can see what we got. This is, look, I don't know if you can see that very well, but this is, for all practical purposes, free-flowing. And so based on your coal applications, as little as 3/4 of a pound of wet lock per ton of wet coal being 10-12% moisture based on the coal type. But you can see what we got here. I mean, even the paper isn't getting wet. This is dry, folks. This will flow nicely and not stick, not plug, and will flow right through the boiler and be burned with the coal. There you go.